Hey everybody, how to create a simple dialog in Android Studio. Let's create new project, select empty activity, next, rename, simple dialog and finish. In main activity, inside on create method, let's create a button variable, find it by ID, type is button, and let's create our button. Go to resources, then layout, activity main, split the code, and instead our text view write button, rename the button text, for example, connect to Starlink, and add the ID plus ID, XML, button. Return to main activity file, write resources, then ID, and then choose XML button. I have a problem, how to fix it? Let's build and rebuild project. That's okay. Next, let's set on click listener to our button, button.setOnClickListener. What happens when we press the button? The function openDialog will start. We have this function because let's create this function. Let's create a dialog fragment variable dialog fragment equals, and let's create new dialog fragment with the dialog. For this, right click, new fragment, and fragment blank. Let's rename it, for example, dialog fragment, finish. Let's delete the code. Let's remove almost all of the initial code. Delete input, class dialog fragment of type dialog fragment. Let's rename our type, for example, star dialog fragment, and let's input our dialog fragment. Input, and let's rename our file. Refactor rename star dialog fragment. Okay, then let's add on create dialog method, and we are going to use a builder to create our alert dialog. This let's create a builder variable equals alert dialog dot builder. Context is our activity. Return builder dot create, and let's specify the dialog box options. For builder, let's set title, for example, Starlink online, set alert message, for example, do you really want to use satellite internet? Then set positive button with text, for example, OK, and let's add the body of the function. We need to add a lambda expression with two parameters. Let's create the empty lambda function with two parameters. It's OK. We have completed a dialog fragment returned to our main activity, and our dialog fragment variable equals star dialog fragment. Finally, let's show our dialog fragment dot show. We need to add parentheses, then show, and here we need to add support fragment manager and a tag. Support fragment manager and tag, for example, dialog. Let's check our application, run the application. We have a button, connect to Starlink, click to our button, and we have a dialog fragment. Tap OK, and we are back on the main screen. The app works as we wanted. Good job! I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you!